Hello everyone, this is Emmy with the Wauconda Area Public Library, here with my trusty assistant, Blue the Fox. This week's craft is this snowy owl. In your craft kit, you will receive a free rubber band. Congrats! A strip of white paper, a strip of yellow paper, and a small square of black paper, as well as a paper cup. For your own supplies, you can use either glue or tape, coloring supplies of choice, and scissors. So we will go ahead and start with the eyes. I am attempting to freehand a circle out of our white paper, and as you can see, it turned out so beautifully. I am taking a second attempt by trying to draw out my circle. You can also use a small circle you have on like a glue bottle or a roll of tape and trace that as well. So I'm cutting my much nicer circle out and then layering it on top of the paper to use as a stencil for the second eye so that they match. Once our two proper circles are cut out, I'll go ahead and add the pupils. You can also make your eyes different shapes if you want to change our owl's expression. And you can mix up the size, whatever you think your owl should look like. I'm cutting a few white rectangles out of the white paper, and I'm doing kind of a leaf shape for the wings. And after I banish my scraps, I will use the same method I did for the eyes, where I'm layering the one I've already cut over and cutting the second one so that they match. Lastly, I'll go ahead and cut a small triangle for a beak out of our black square of paper. Now that everything is cut out, I will go ahead and tape our owl parts onto our cup. So I'm doing the eyes first because those are the biggest part. I'm also realizing that you guys might want to see what I'm doing and turning the cup around. Doing the wings on kind of the center side. And then our beak. And I'm just doing a little tape roll to make it double-sided to attach it. And I decided my beak was a little too big, so I'm going to cut it down, banish the scrap, and reattach it. For our last step, we will go ahead and draw some feathers on our cup, and I will use my unfortunate scrap to show you happy accidents. So, just like a semicircle pattern, you can connect them or you can leave them separate. And that is it. Here is our snowy owl. He's a baby, so he can't really sit up yet. Thank you so much for joining me and Blue, and we will see you next week for a new Take and Make craft. Bye!